Happy Sunday, everybody. This is the weekly watch list for August 3rd, 2025. Nothing too crazy this week. I'll go over the swing trading ticker first. Yeah, nothing too crazy from what I saw. This is really the only thing that stood out to me. This 2-1 setup on the weekly time frame on Google. I'm only really looking to take it short. I wouldn't take it to the long side because these big wicks over here. Let me zoom in real quick. Looking at this setup, assuming we don't gap down, I'm looking to take it short once this low breaks right here. Probably going to use a 50% stop loss because this stop is a little wide. So my stop loss for this trade would be around 193. Probably keep it an even 194. Generally, we would be using this low as target one. I'm probably going to have this body right here to fill this volume imbalance as a target, and then aim for this low right here is my max target. Maybe leave a runner if we continue heading down, but we'll see. Probably use this right here as my second target, this body, and then this wick right there. If somebody were to want other targets, could just fib this out. And then from the first target here that we have at the 786 fib, probably takes them off at the 61, the 50, the 23, or the body, then the wick as additional targets, and the prices are there. For the contracts, let's bring this up here. Excuse me. So I usually prefer to do at least 30 days out. 2 weeks will be fine, but I just prefer to have time on my side when I'm doing swing trades off the weekly. Doing long put, go to the chain. Oh, whoops. Let's go back over here. This is 185. Yeah, 185 contracts I'll probably look into. The furthest I'll probably go is 180 based on the ATR. Whoops, that's not what I want. Trigger is what, 188. In 2 days, assuming we get just 2 days of just continued bearish movement, it should hit 180 in about 2, 3 days. Again, assuming we get a big bearish day or continued move. So the furthest I'll probably go is 180, but 185 I'll probably choose 30 days out. Other than that, SPY already reversed to an outside bar to the downside. Daily candle, the daily time frame, we created this little gap here. The 4 hour, if I were to get into this to the upside, just keep in mind that between this candle's high and our entry, there's going to be an inside day. So there's a chance that it might just chop around. So in these moments, I usually prefer to just wick out or fib out the entire daily candle. So this is a 4 hour time frame. These two candles make one daily candle. So fib out top and bottom. Now we have some additional targets as price goes into our favor. So ATR is about 5. Our entry will be about 623. So at least $3 to break the previous high. I'll probably use some of these fib targets. Probably looking for the 786 to hit at 624.84 and then this candle high here. And then we'll see if they want to fill up some of this gap. I probably won't expect the entire gap to be filled. So something that I do as well, I just fib out the gap. And now I have targets in between these gap levels using fibs. So I'll probably take it every time it hits one of these fib levels or every other fib level, really personal preference. Other than that, let's take a look at Tesla. Not a fan of these wicks on the top sides. I'll probably just watch Tesla tomorrow. I'm probably not going to trade it. I usually prefer to trade it later in the week after like Wednesday or further. Cheaper premiums, and I don't swing trade Tesla either. So probably just gonna watch Tesla. Similar thing in for Nvidia. I'm not digging these wicks on the top and bottom. Probably just watch it tomorrow. Won't even bother taking anything on it. Let's see. News wise, nothing too crazy. We literally only have 2 days of red folders. So we have Thursday unemployment claims, which is basically comes out every week, and then ISM services on Tuesday. Other than that, for those who trade the afternoon session, you may want to keep an eye out on bonds. That's at 1 p.m. on Wednesday and Thursday. So be mindful of that. Other than that, besides these two things and the red folders, I don't expect the week to be really volatile unless, Trump wants to come and talk. Let's go back to the chart real quick. Even looking at SPY, we had the big outside bar reversal or 3 bar reversal to the downside. So what might happen this week is we might just chop around inside bar on the weekly and not even break that low unless we get something crazy. Then, we'll come down, feel this little imbalance there and see if we can hit this area here. But realistically, I don't think much is gonna happen. Might be a chill week. I'll probably be a little more defensive. Yes. I'm thinking we might chop this week with the low volatility news events. Again, Trump talking might change that. Other than that, nothing too crazy. Apple also reversed, had good earnings. I got to check their guidance again. Yeah, tomorrow might just be an inside day for Apple. But yeah, pretty much all I got. If this was helpful at all, let me know in the comments. Anything you're looking at this week, let me know in the comments as well. And as always, if this is helpful, let me know. Like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. I definitely appreciate it. And I will see you guys for the next one. Enjoy your Sundays.